Today we're going to make a home by the sea welcome sign. I used a 14-inch disc, started with some white acrylic paint and just spread that over my surface. Used our heat gun to dry it quickly for this project and used the Art Deco stencil. Love this stencil with the variety of different options. I picked the bottom stencil because it looked like waves, sort of. So I got that defuzz so it wouldn't stick to my surface. I applied it to the round disc. I kind of centered it about halfway up so that a little more than half of my disc was covered. I smoothed it right on, and then once I got it in place, I was able to use my chalk to fill in the negative space. And the cool thing about a repeating pattern is that you can go back and align it up to finish the detail of the project. And that way, if the stencil is smaller than your surface, no worries there. So once we got that, I again got my heat gun, dried it off, and made the bow because I wanted to make sure the chalk was completely dried before I layered on my lettering. Tied the bow with some cute nautical ribbons and some raffia bow. I took a cute little seashell that I had around and hot glued it in the center just to continue that nautical theme throughout the piece. I picked the home stencil, which had a variety of different options. I love the seashell. You can use the home stencil if you're farm country as well, but since this is by the sea, we pulled out the seashell and the little starfish and our beautiful coral color over the blue. Once we got that done again, we dried it, made sure it was heat set before we applied our embellishments, added the little bow. I kind of put it off-centered just for dimension. I don't like things 100% centered. Added a backing with some wire. And there you have it, our beautiful home by the sea door decor. Hope you enjoyed it as much as I had fun making it.